Here at Waterfront Park in Augusta, flood warnings are in effect and the parking lot is flooded. Of course, I'm going to try to keep a safe distance here. You can see the Waterfront Park sign. And this is the parking lot right here. It's almost like you're at the beach. You can hear the waves. This shows it well. You can see how high up. It looks like it has receded some. You can see all this twigs and sticks and the wet pavement. It looks like the peak of it has receded about a foot. From Water Street at Waterfront Park in Augusta, I'm Andy Capwell for B98.5.